Today you're gonna see how we restore a military transport aircraft that sank 40 years ago.
Execute the lift. Take it up slow.
Roger that, Master. Engaging hydraulics now.
It's up! It's finally up! We did it!
Look at the extent of the corrosion here. It's structural.
It's worse than the photos indicated. We'll need a full ultrasonic scan.
Watch the pressure right there, easy on the seam.
Confirmed, we are clear of the locking mechanism.
The corrosion is extensive. We can't save these blades.
No.
It's a total rebuild.
Look at the state of this insulation. It's completely rotted.
And the diagram says this is the main power bus.
Keep tapping it gently. It's completely fused. This might take hours. Final bolt is clear. Oh. Copy that. Tension the line slowly.
little to the left. Easy now.
Clear. Pins engaged. Good job.
Pushing the yoke forward.
Deflection is smooth.
Tensiometer reads 60 pounds. Checks complete.
Autopilot engaged. Stand by.
Radar sweep active, clear.
Comms check. Radio 1.
Loud and clear.
Systems check complete. Confirmed. Ready for departure.
Ground Hercules 5-8. Pre-flight complete. Requesting taxi.
Hercules 5-8, taxi via Charlie, runway 29.
She plays better than she did in 82.
Flawless run, captains!
Well done, everyone. We did it.
Hold it right there. Coming in tight on the Mustang.
All right, braking now. Clear on your side.
Using advanced ROV technology, the team documented the wreck site before beginning the delicate restoration process.
A time capsule from 1982. Imagine what's inside.
It's incredible that it's still sealed after all this time.
We are honored to open this museum with the legendary C-130 as its centerpiece, a tribute to the brave men and women who served.
I once flew on one of these, you know. Back then, the engines roared so loud you could feel it in your bones.
Look how massive it is.
It's incredible. Let's get a selfie under the wing.
I wonder how the oil system works with these gears.
It is a marvel of precision, absolutely perfect.
She has seen the darkest nights and the brightest dawns, a testament to engineering, a symbol of resilience.
If you look at the angle of the propeller blades, you can see how it generates the incredible power needed for takeoff.
Look at her, still beautiful.
Tail number 2358, I remember that one.
We had some times in her, didn't we, boys?
Understanding the electrochemistry is crucial. The C-130 case study clearly demonstrates how quickly the cathode reaction can